up? What is up, guys? It is Multiple. Today I'm making a video.
Oh no! What's on your shirt? Okay, he spends way too much time not saving himself. Oh no! I feel like everybody has that friend that reminds them of a sitcom character. Oh no! I have friends like Max, and I've been Sarah way too many times. Like, my friend Jessica was hanging off this cliff once, and she was like,
sorry about that. What is up, guys? It is Multiple Hands. Today I'm making a video of, how it been and everything been today, so I'm going to switch the camera to another angle or something.
Oh no! My kayak's sinking! Oh my god.
So, yeah.
I don't know what to do. Poor Max, what's he gonna do? Oh, I know, ask Sarah.
Hey, Wilbur.
Have you tried asking Sarah?
See Wilbur and
I don't understand. Why should I ask
it's
Sarah?
yeah.
You know what? Oh, who is that really helping guy?
William.
Alright guys, that's my time. Don't forget to check out the full videos. The links are in the description below. And hey, maybe you'll be the first to comment on.
Yeah, so... now has been not really a good day because, I know Aliyah Jax has the eye and this video. There's that people
selfie? Why? See, this is your answer to a society who tells women to put it in your mouth. And she did. You go, girl. This girl is brave. According to the comments, that's a huntsman spider. They eat lizards. And that spider is brave. That's a human. Humans eat spiders. Rumor has it you eat 8 spiders a year while sleeping. Never sleep again. Anyway, the huntsman spider is found in tropical environments, so I guess it makes sense. For the spider. Is this the only trick this girl does? If you think that's impressive, you should see where the snake comes from. Okay, this next video was shot at a railroad station in North Carolina.
I'm making a video.
You're about to see a really exciting train.
Okay.
What? Is there a robot on the train?
I've been waiting for this moment for months, and it's finally here.
Oh, so the robot's behind the train.
I'm finally going to get a heritage unit on camera. Yeah!
What, you mean the train? You were this excited about a train? Wow.
All right. Look at that. A 1953 E8. Woo-hoo!
The excitement level does not drop the entire video.
Oh, my God! Woo! Listen to that horn!
Yeah, it's great.
Oh, my God! Oh, she's beautiful!
Yeah, it's beautiful.
She is beautiful, yeah!
Then he notices